Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get more pajamas in Heartopia. So if you go to dress up and go to this section, there's the pajama set. So basically it's going to fall under short clothes and long clothes. It doesn't have to be that all the time, I think. But these are what the pajamas look like. There's also like a pink and like a yellow set. It looks like kind of like a coat with like puffy pom-poms. I can't show you guys because I don't have it, but you'll have to use stars to purchase them. But basically, to get more pajamas, you're going to purchase them from Dorothee. Unfortunately, is she dancing right now? Yeah, okay, girl, get it. Anyways, right now there's no pajamas in store, but you'll kind of know um when it falls into the pajamas category. So this one doesn't fall in the pajamas category like these shorts. But the ones that I have do. So you just kind of have to see which one. I think there's only 3 if I'm not mistaken. So for the pajama set, there's like these ones, and then we have these like loungewear. I think it says in the like outfit that it's like pajama or loungewear. Okay, this one doesn't show for some reasons. But it's this one, this one, this one, this one, and there's also another one. I think it falls to the loungewear category. Again, there's only like a few pajamas. I think there's only like this much plus the one that I'll find a picture and insert it right now. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!